Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you how to use the average function in Excel. Something very basic, very easy to do. It just takes a couple clicks of the keyboard and you'll be able to find averages for different data sets. So here I have some sample sales data over the last 4 years. If I wanted to find the average of those 4 years of sales data, what I could do is click in the cell and then you'd hit equal sign, and then just type average and it should generate there. You can hit tab and that will open parentheses. And then at this point, all you really have to do is just select the range of data that you want to average. So from there, I can just hit close parentheses, enter, and now this is giving us a average of the range over the 4 years for the pine product. If I wanted to find that same data for the maple and the birch, all I'd have to do is click on the bottom right of that cell and drag it down. And that's going to give us the average for the other two products as well. So I can see on average, the birch product is selling the best of the three products over the 4 years. Now I could do the exact same thing. This is year over year sales change for those three products. So I could again just hit equals average. Hit tab, and then that will open up the parentheses. And then again, just click and drag the cells that you want to be in that average, and then hit close parentheses, and then hit enter. And so this is showing us, even though there's a lot of variance, we're on average seeing 10% growth for the pine product. So again, if we want to see for the other two products, we can just click and drag, and we can see the maple has been very flat, but our birch seems to be the product that has tended to see the most improvement in sales. So that's a very easy, again, very basic, simple function in Excel, but one that is very commonly used. We can even, to take it a step further, what we can do is do equals average. And we can look at the entire sales data. So if we wanted to see the average of all of the products over all of the years, we can do that. We can select all that data, just hit enter. We can see the average is 156, or if we wanted to do it even a little bit easier than that, we can just hit average and then select the average of the averages, and this should give us, close parentheses again, that should give us the same 156 number. So again, a very simple and easy to use function, but will be very helpful as you're deep diving data and trying to understand trends and whatnot. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.